Okay.
Also, you can adjust if you want to spot welding to position this. You can use spot welding without the weld feeding function. You can adjust on the screen.
Oh,
Yeah.
is that a fusion with just the laser, or does that feed a smaller amount of the
Yeah, when
wire?
we adjust there is a weld feeder. When you adjust the weld feeder, stop the weld feeder, then the weld will not go.
Just laser.
Just a laser, so you
Yeah.
can spot. After this, and you can like this.
Yeah.
Don't hold, don't hold. Yeah, this part you just
It went off the material.
yeah, you see, should be like this. Should be like this. Then it's right. You see, it's different, right?
Yeah, because I was off the material.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is right here.
Yeah, okay. Now it's good.
That's better.
It's better. You want Volvo less or more?
Huh?
That's the Volvo is 3. You want 2 or
What would be more?
more is 4?
More is 4? Do 4.
Let's try 4.
See what it does. I'm gonna go inside real quick.
Okay.
Stop corner.
I just changed the Volvo. I didn't change the speed.
Break that apart. I don't want to change the speed.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go inside though.
Okay. Yeah, hold that part. That's good. It's too much?
Missed a little bit right here.
Yeah.
This here.
Yeah, that's why the direction control is important. I think Volvo is too much. Maybe 3 is fine.
But this is inside weld. Last time was outside weld.
So
Look at Angel. I never welded one day in my whole life.
it's simple.
It's just getting a feel for. It's just getting a feel for it. That's all it is.
Yeah, you learn lots of time for 10 minutes at least.
Hardly. I found a new welder.
It's easy for you.
So how do we spot weld?
But well, let me see.
So you don't pull the trigger.
Yeah. You better. If you want it to be wider, you can use 1.2 millimeter. I'm not sure it's good for you or not.
I mean, if you look at it all day,
That's fine. Just a few minutes is fine.
I'm off to the side, huh?
Yeah, it's too much Volvo, right?
You think? No, I think I just off to the side. Let me go more in the middle. I think
Yeah.
I'm too much this way.
Yeah. As this part, did you pull the gun?
Huh?
Did you pull the gun?
I don't know, maybe.
I'm not sure. Maybe it is because the weld thing is too thin. When you wobble too much, it's not
Okay,
full.
so it's right here.
Yeah.
I'll go slower this time.
As I told you, maybe this 0.9 millimeter weld is only suitable for 3 wobble. Yeah, anyway, you can do it as you want.
It's not bad. It's looks like it filled the whole gap.
Yeah, so that's well over well.
Yeah.
No, this section wasn't welded.
Still 5?
Huh?
Still 5? The Volvo is 5 now.
What's 5?
The Volvo. The
Oh,
Volvo
the Volvo's
active,
at 5?
the Volvo actually is 5 now. You can change from 1 to 5.
So 5 is maximum.
Yes.
That's
Okay.
5?
Yes. If you want wider one, you can use the dual fader as I show you.
So maybe go back to 3?
Yeah, let's try that. Okay, I think 3 is better for this thickness. Yeah, looks good.
That's shit. Fucking perfect.
Yes.
Certified welder right here.
No,
37 minutes
don't do
of
that. You
experience.
still need some man to handle the work.
You hired.
Don't do that.
Corner to corner. Nice shot. Give me a quarter. Go ahead.
Okay, that's mine.
Let's do like that much here. Let's see. Remember, don't pull. Let it just kind of.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can be a teacher now.
Yeah, give me one of these for free, and then I'll teach people how to use it.
No, I cannot do
Oh,
that.
come on.
You can buy more. Yes, it's perfect.
Yeah, that's good.
So it like is hotter with more wire.
This is the
slower.
same setting. We didn't do anything.
Well, yeah, but I'm saying to get your structure that you want, because you're talking about a joint, right? So you have like this, and you have this right here. Right? You want this much at least. So
We want to pull
from
it.
here to here, where if you make more here, then less here is fine.
Yeah.
But being that that's so right now where you're at, you're probably like right here. And that's sufficient right there.
I understand things now. So he really know welding.
Yeah.
Seems to be airing to one side.
To your left.
Yeah, it's if you're straight on this way, it's airing about like 30,000.
That's why I kept falling off for my weld. Inside, Jesus.
Yeah, the inside is obvious.
He's a really good welder.
He is. You get a laser welder, I could actually weld some shit.
Yeah.
Even you.
Even me.
Even your daughter or your boy can do that. Wonderful.
Can you hold that for a second? How strong is that? That's a little weaker than you probably want though.
I think the power is too much. Already
So?
go through.
Yeah, it's almost like if you could, I think,
It's
You-
too
it
much
looked like you
power.
were trying to lay it stacked.
no, for sure.
It's too much power. Already go through the material, right?
Yeah, we don't want to. You don't want to push back. You just got to be a constant, steady
So you
state.
see right here where I had a nice little,
Yeah.
that's kind of, haven't even been here.
Well, it's challenge.
The other thing is to stop and start.
It's got it. It is what it is. See how it turns out.
Oh, it's good. Wow. Wow.
That's pretty fucking good.
I never do that. It's
You had trouble with that one more, huh?
yeah, that's good.
Thank you. So
Oh.
that's my idea is if you go slow and get a lot of penetration and you're going down like this, you'll get a really nice contact seal thing. You'll know it's sealed because you get those nice edges to the weld.
It's good.
Which this thing is like a little difficult to tell what's going on. So indicate. That's the fucking ticket. If you do it here vertical, you can actually slow it down a lot. Use the pedal. Can you hold that for a second? Thank you very much.
Just don't miss the spot exactly. I think, unless I'm blind. Exactly. And you fall that around.
Yeah, that's all of that.
Because the other thing that you could do with this, like you said, is you could fuse. So you could just use laser only. So you might be able to attack easy without a bunch of wire, and then it may not skip over.
No, most likely. The wire ends up getting out past the point where you start welding. So if you see it, each time I started, I had this little piece of wire left over. And so if there was something where you could pull the wire back, or you could stop it sooner, you know, but cutting,
See where the laser is pointing? Cut just in front of it.
the problem, well, so,
See
pick
that?
up that thing.
Let's see. Do it on a piece of scrap. That works. Just cut right in front of that laser there.
Take that. Obviously, that thing is. That's good.
That one you were wobbling around a little bit.
It's still good.
But even still, I don't really see a problem.
know how I talk like about the various ways that we're doing welding here. One of the things is when you start an arc and you move the arc and then you feed into it, you can see where you're getting some energy. You're fully aware of exactly how it's feeding out.
Can't see that.
So that's
Have to trust that.
a big difficulty. It's going to be a trial and error.
This is that you almost can't treat this the same way as you're treating your stick. It's totally different. Yeah, that looks really good. Here
You can
just
get
got a
that
little
clean
sloppy.
movement.
Yeah, this looks good. I think the rest of it looks good. Why don't we finish off the back there?
I think right here you got an exposure. Yeah, it still has
It's actually something let's test it on a piece of scrap. It's
Yeah,
actually still a good part.
really fucking hard to control like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's an underside, so this doesn't matter. As long as it gets welded, you're good.
You can use robotic.
I don't have a robot. I mean, I do have a robot.
Being like exactly the right.
You're essentially trying to fuse weld.
Kind of almost have to freehand it.
That's fine.
If you
It's fine. Nobody sees the bottom. That's good. And that's neat.
It definitely does not like being struck. You get a high angle.
To run into my weld. This looks good right here.
That's good. You can weld it again to feel good.
Yeah.
You weld over my dog shit.
I mean, I won't be able to see that.
Yeah, for the thin weld, you can weld for twice.
That looks
will be good.
fuck. That looks way better.
Yeah, that is another way.
Yeah.
A little bit you added beforehand.
Well, but that I mean that's cool that we fuck up. You just weld right over. That looks way better.
Yeah, better than this one.
The
Yeah.
thicker wire is
So
gonna
let's
make all the difference.
go over it again.
Yeah, I think that makes sense.
I can order thicker wire. I just want to see. But that looks. It's inspiring that I could weld dog shit and you could weld right over the top of it and it cleaned it up.
Normally, beside of your
watch the-
yeah, there's air tube inside. Just
Because that looks fucking good.
yeah.
Not like oh it looks okay. It looks fucking good.
The issue is the glasses too.
You want to try these?
I'm already, well,
I could see pretty good.
if
with
you
these.
make it dark, so I have like a little spot right now, right? But like I was looking at too bright of a light. But if these glasses are darker, I'm not sure. I would really see it.
You can change this. You can change this.
So they're pretty done. Time on this.
Huh?
There's already a lot of time on it.
Yeah, but we're fucking with it. I'm not. We can fuck around with the other side, and I can time the other side. Here, into that new weld. Yeah. So let's go.
Like right now.
Yeah, pretty nice.
Okay, now let's go all the way down there. However you want to twist it, whatever.
That wire might be
Okay, do that section and we'll do another video for the whole side. Let's just go down the whole side and see what it takes. You gonna attack it or we going?
Yeah, just attack it up. But the attack up probably.
Huh? Pretty good for the wire you got. How long do you think that would take you with a TIG? That's what, 30 inches?
Very nice.
So like 10 minutes to weld that?
So this one will be 40 seconds.
Well, not quite 40 seconds.
1 minute.
Minute 30.
Oh,
There's
minute
about
30.
10 minutes or 10 seconds of lining it up, so minute 20.
Yeah.